National Youth Day, also known as Yuva Divas, is celebrated on January 12th every year. The day is celebrated in honor of Swami Vivekananda on his birth anniversary. Government of India in 1985 decided to dub January 12th as National Youth Day. This year, India will be celebrating 37th National Youth Day. The theme for National Youth Day 2022 is It's All in the Mind, a key teaching of Swami Vivekananda. The week commencing from the National Youth Day is known as National Youth Week. As a part of National Youth Week celebration, the Government of India holds the National Youth Festival every year. The National Youth Festival began in 1995 as a major activity under the program of National Integration Camp. In collaboration with one of the states in India and institutions like Nehru Yuva Kendra Sansthan and the National Service Scheme, the Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports conduct this program every year from January 12th to 16th. The basic objective of the National Youth Festival is to bring the youth of the country together in an attempt to showcase their talent in various activities to cover almost all socio-cultural aspects of life, providing an opportunity to young artists to further learn the new art forms from experts of various disciplines. This year, India will be celebrating 25th National Youth Festival. The venue of this year's NYF is Puducherry. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will inaugurate the 25th National Youth Festival virtually on 12th of January 11 am. Speaking at the occasion, Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Anurag Thakur said that Puducherry as a venue for the National Youth Festival 2022 was handpicked by the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Shri Anurag Thakur also unveiled the tagline or theme of the National Youth Festival, Saksham Yuva, Sashakta Yuva, meaning capable youth, forceful youth, able youth, strong youth. This year, the festival will take place over a period of 5 days, January 12th to 16th, and will be conducted in 4 phases including a youth summit, indigenous game awareness, yoga and cultural celebrations. PM Modi will be inaugurating a 5-day festival for 25th National Youth Day through video conferencing. He will be addressing the gathering on the occasion of Swami Vivekananda's birth anniversary. Here is all you need to know about National Youth Festival. Host state. The 25th National Youth Festival is going to be organized from 12th to 16th January 2022 in Puducherry. Participation of 7,500 youth has been planned for the occasion of India's 75th Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The events and phase-wise activities of the festivals are as follows. Opening and closing ceremony. The festival will be inaugurated on 12th January 2022 where all the state continents will participate in the format decided by the host state, UT government. The closing ceremony will be organized on 16th January 2022. Now, phase-wise activities to be organized during the entire duration of the festival. The activities to be organized during 25th NYF 2022 have been divided into 4 phases as under. Phase 1, Mindful Mornings, which will include yoga sessions, meditation, cleanup sessions and volunteering drives. Phase 2 will be Youth Summit. In this session, the participating youth will get an opportunity to learn through the keynote address of eminent persons and also to express their views on the day-wise topics identified on concurrent global issues like national values, future skills, indigenous wisdom, knowledge economy building, social innovation and sustainable development. Phase 3 will include indigenous sports awareness. The participating youth will participate in indigenous games and martial arts, such as Phase 4 will be cultural celebrations. In this phase of the day, there will be culture-based programs. These cultural programs will include events from different parts of India such as Nati dance, Karyala, folk theatre, Chan dance, etc. All the states have also been requested to organize competitions at district and state level to select participants who would be performing in various events of the life and teaching of Sri Aurobindo during the National Youth Festival. Hope we all have productive and safe National Youth Day and Festival. To register for National Youth Festival, I have given the link in the description below. You can go and click on that link to register for NYF. Thank you, and I shall see you in my next video.